I like to add a little garlic, and I'm adding. This is her first day. Hey guys, I'm Megan, and I'm here in the Thrive Market Test Kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make mayo 3 ways. Why make your own mayo? You're probably sitting back wondering. Well, 1, you get to know exactly what goes in it, so you can control the ingredients, you know where they come from, the flavor of it, and it just tastes so much better. I swear, homemade mayo, you're not gonna wanna go back. All right, to start this recipe, you need a couple things that are gonna stay the same. I'm gonna add different flavors. When I make different mayos, I'm gonna use different oils, but the main things that you need are lemon, an egg yolk. So there is a raw egg yolk in it, but it's okay. You're not even gonna know, it's gonna be so good. Vinegar, Dijon, and then a little salt and pepper if you wanna add that. Now I'm using a food processor, this cute little food processor. You can do it by hand. I did that in culinary school and it was rough. You can make it in a blender as well. It just alleviates the aches and pains of doing it by hand. The great thing about mayo, as I'm sure my Whole30 Paleo people know, it's Whole30 and it's Paleo, and I believe it's keto. You need to be careful though, check what Dijon you're using, because some Dijons have white wine in them. All right, I'm gonna add my egg yolk, as well as a teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar, and then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and then I'm gonna do a pinch of salt as well, about 1/2 teaspoon. Before I add the oil, I wanna mix this portion up. I want it to taste like extra virgin olive oil, so I'm doing 1/2 cup of grapeseed oil, and then I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil because extra virgin olive oil has a very strong flavor. So I needed to cut the oil a smidge bit. Okay, that looks great. Now I'm gonna add the oil. So just be careful, you wanna add your oil very slowly so your mayo doesn't break. And what it means when it breaks is when you look at mayo, it's very thick, it's very creamy. If it breaks, it looks very loose and watery, and it means that everything didn't emulsify properly. So if that happens, you kind of have to start again. So my only tip is go really slow when you add the oil and make sure you measure everything that you're adding to your food processor. And you'll hear it go from very liquidy sounding to then it tightens up and it sounds more like a thick sauce. That looks good. And it didn't break. It's light, it's creamy. I mean, this looks so good. I love mayo. That's what you're looking for. All right, first mayo, done. Now let's make our second mayo, and this time I'm gonna use coconut oil, liquid coconut oil. I hate you, I can see you. Food stylists, man, they are up in my biz. I'm gonna use coconut oil, liquid coconut oil, and this one's flavored with garlic, which I like that flavor. I'm using Sriracha as well, so I like to add garlic and Sriracha, it's great for the breath. We're gonna start with the same base. I need 3/4 cup of this coconut oil. And I did notice when I tested all 3 of these recipes, this one was the easiest for me. It did not break at all. Let's take a peek. Smells like garlic. So this is what you want it to look like before you add the Sriracha. Tablespoon and 1/2 of Sriracha. Blend it up. Go amazing on some tacos or street corn or eating like spoonfuls of mayo. Not a bad idea. You done? Okay. Yeah. Someone's a loud pepper cracker. This is the Sriracha mayo, which is finished. And for you Whole30 people, Paleo folks, check your Sriracha, because sometimes it has cane sugar in it, but there are ones that don't. So that's how you can make it Paleo and Whole30. Looking out for you. I'm always thinking. On to our third and our last mayo recipe. I'm doing a lemon basil. And this time the oil I'm using is avocado oil. Same base. Okay, once again, start off super slowly. Start off super slowly when you add the oil. Ooh, you look gorgeous. It's a little more vibrant greeny yellow. It's because of the avocado oil. Now to make it lemon basil, I'm gonna add lemon zest. And I'm adding this at the end because I wanna make sure the mayo fully emulsified. Whole basil leaves, because the food processor will chop them up for me. That'll be a chunky little basil bits. It's my nickname in college. Chunky little basil bits. Man, I wish it was. Blend it up again. Oh yeah. You can see little bits of basil throughout. This I would put on a BLT. I call my mom and I tell her about it. Okay, here's the last and final. This is my mayo trio. our EVO one, our Sriracha garlic, and then our lemon basil. If you make your own homemade mayo recipe, please tell me what you do, what you like to add to it. Let me know some crazy things. I want to try them out. You can find all of the recipes below, and you can subscribe below, and all of the products that I used you can find at thrivemarket.com/prepschool. I'm gonna kind of eyeball it. You can add as much as you want. Oh, thanks a lot, food stylists. What is this? What is this? I can't work like this. These dainty fingers can't. I got you. Okay. No, I got it. I mean, you're fired, but like it's fine.